CKA Challenge Question 12, having the weightage of 4%. List the internal IP of all nodes of the cluster and save the result to a file internal IP list. Answers should be in the format internal IP of first node space internal IP of second node in single line. The question is asking for a list of internal IP address of all the nodes in the cluster and then save the result to the file called internal IP list. The internal IP list address is a private IP address assigned to each node in the cluster, which is used for intra-cluster communication. These informations can be obtained using various commands or tools depending on the specific cluster setup. For example, in the Kubernetes cluster, the kubectl get nodes -o of white command can be used to list the internal IP address of all nodes. The output of the command should be saved to a file named internal IP list using a specific format. The format required the internal IP addresses of each node to be separated by a space and all of them to be written on a single file. For example, if the cluster has 3 nodes with internal IP address 192.168.1.1, 192.168.1.2 and 192.168.1.3, the output should be all the IP with a separation of spaces. By saving the output to a file, it can be easily shared with others or used for further analysis or scripting purpose. The questions requires the person to have the knowledge of the specific cluster setup and the command or tools used to obtain the internal IP address of the node. It also requires the ability to redirect output to a file and format the output according to the specified requirement. Take on the challenge of solving these questions on your own first. But if you encountered any difficulty in solving it, refer the next video for solution. Best luck. Okay, so in this particular questions, we have to list the internal IP for the nodes, means all the nodes. So currently kubectl get node. So we have 2 node available, and if we select kubectl get node with the wide option, so you can see that the internal IP which is required, but this particular query have the lots of informations. Even the JSON have lots of informations, but the Kubernetes manage the things as per the need. So in the wide option you have so lots of fields, and for the get nodes you have very less information. So but in the JSONs there are several informations, means you can say that all the information related to the node we have all the things. Similarly, we have the informations regarding the pod, regarding the replica set, regarding the deployment. So in this particular questions, we have asked to just list the internal IP for 2 nodes. Means we have the 2 nodes. Sometimes we have 5 nodes, we have 6 nodes. So we have to use the JSON part to extract the internal IP to just extract it into a file. So we are going to look into it, but we will get these informations from the cheat sheet, because I picked this question from the cheat sheet, and cheat sheet plays a very important role. So you just need to open a Kubernetes documentations, and here you have to write the cheat sheet and search it, cheat sheet. And when you search it, you will get the link of the cheat sheet, and this particular things is allowed in the examination. So you have one tab open for the documentation purpose, that you will get information from the Kubernetes documentation, but only for the Kubernetes documentation, not the link related with the discussions and the blog. It's not allowed. So sometimes the user, the proctor, allow you to access the website from the bookmark, and but some proctor don't allow. So I personally request you to not use the bookmark. Just go to the Google and search for the Kubernetes document and click the and open the one tab, and in which you can investigate in case of any problem you face or any deficiency file you required. But you should be familiar with the documentation how to use it. Like I picked this particular thing from the cheat sheet, and you referring the cheat sheets is very important before the exam, because it's have lots of information, and sometimes the question directly asked from the cheat sheet itself. So external. So you can see that I'm trying to get the informations of the uh, internal IP, but it's have the same query for the external. So I'm going to use it exactly. So here I'm going to paste it, and I have to change it before executing it. So because we don't have the external IP here, we have to use the internal word here. So you can see that this is for the internal IP for control plane, and this is the internal IP for the node 1. And similarly, we have to uh, extract it into the file. The file will be uh, root. I'm just pasting it, root.txt. So you have these particular informations which we extracted. Now we written it down in a file. So this complete this particular line.